everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to make a pocket letter with you. It's going to be a rainbow pocket letter. These are the gaming plastic wallets. You've got the 9 pockets here, and I'm bringing in a Project Life one, which is a 12 by 12 from Craft. The 12 by 12 has different size pockets, and I'm just showing you here on a piece of paper the different pockets that you've got. So what I intend to do is cut off the right 2 pockets there, and that should then make it a very similar size to the gaming card plastic wallet, which is the 9 pockets. So I'm just going to take that off with my guillotine. I will be able to use those 2 pockets for another project, and I could probably use that for a cover of a Happy Mail. So I am going to just show you the size of the pockets here, and so that's the 2 big ones, and then you've got 4 little ones on the side. So I'm just using the black cardstock instead of my mat so that you can actually see the pocket letter in progress. So my rainbow pocket letter is going to be all die cuts, and it's going to be a rainbow made from die cuts. So I'm just showing you here some of the die cuts I've gone through. If you're like me and hoard die cuts, you'd have heaps of them. So I've pulled out all of my die cuts. They're mainly from Rosie's studio, and they have a variety of gorgeous rainbow colours. I have them all dotted around here, and I intend to place them all around this little square frame. Now, when I intend to stick them on the front, the square frame will stop me from opening the pockets on the left hand side. So I actually turn the wallet over so that I can actually still put goodies in those pockets because the pocket's on the other side. So I'll leave you with some music now. Thanks, bye! Okay, so now that you've seen me decorate the envelope, I'm just putting the last finishing touches on. So I have this little paper aeroplane that I found that I was putting away, and then in the center we're going with a rainbow, and it says after the storm comes the rainbow. So I'm just popping some foam pads on the back here. I'm actually going to put some foam pads along the edge of the base of the rainbow, actually coming off, so that I can actually connect the sentiment, which is after the storm comes the rainbow, and I'm actually connecting it to the bottom of the rainbow as if it's one die cut, and I'm just positioning that right in the center. I then use foam pads to prop up the back, and I'm actually going to double it up, so it's lots and lots of foam pads so it stands above the rest of the die cuts in the center of this Happy Mail. And then if by magic the goodies appear in the back after I get rid of the scissors and foam pads, and then I'll give you a quick look at the overall project. So just lifting that up and showing you all of those beautiful die cuts. Absolutely love the way that this turned out. On the back we have a tea bag there, strawberry, raspberry and loganberry. I've got some wax seals here. We've got a sequins mix, which is my favourite sequins mix for springtime and Easter. Got some uniquely creative rhinestones, and then in that zip wallet there are some die cuts, and then in this one here we've got some stickers, and I've got some Easter stickers in the back here just behind. So I thought that this Happy Mail is quite bright but would also allow me to put in some springtime and Easter items. So I'll turn that one over again for you now. I'm just making sure that that is not seen behind all the die cuts. And thank you so much for watching today. I love how this turned out, so bright, so beautiful, and I want to remind you all that after the storm comes the rainbow. Take care everyone, lots of crafty love, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.